and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum when people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams Family.
Neat. Sweet. Petite.
So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
Welcome to Season 12 of the CHS Pulse. I'm Morticia Adams, filling in for Sadie Giavello.
And I'm Wednesday Adams, taking the place of Kaylee O'Neill. Unfortunately for us, we're the hosts for this episode.
For all you imbeciles who it isn't obvious enough for, it's Halloween.
And I don't know about you, but I love Halloween.
And I don't love a lot of things, specifically things that have to do with a lot of people.
Lurch, water please.
Anyways, now, you can't have Halloween without pumpkins, and I heard the National Art Honor Society is having a pumpkin walk.
Lurch, is that true?
Well, in that case, let's check that out. I'm tired of this already.
Okay. Can you explain the pumpkin walk? Like, what's the main concept of the event and what goes on?
I think the overall arching objective for this project was to get artwork out into the community. Getting people to see student work and what we do inside of the classroom that normally isn't seen by the general public, I think is really important, especially in our program. Then the other need, I think, was also to get people to go downtown and shop and be able to see some of this artwork and use artwork to sort of become a fabric for developing, the downtown community in Chatham.
So I think because we decided that the Haunted Hallway had run its course and we wanted to pivot to something new, and because of COVID and not being able to do some more interactive activities, I came up with the idea kind of in the theme or in the spirit of the scarecrow walks that different towns do, but something different that we would be able to manage in-house and then install in the community. So we started with, I think, 40 real pumpkins last year and had our students paint them and install.
Are there any improvements you've made from last year or things you've learned from last year?
Definitely. The improvements, I think we decided to, via a grant from the Chatham Education Association, which is the teachers union, we brought in some funds to purchase some foam pumpkins, which were they don't rot, and students are able to work on them. There's no surprises, so when they're in storefronts, they can be displayed, year after year, which is really nice. The other thing that we're doing is an auction. So we're auctioning off these pumpkins, which people had a lot of interest in last year, and now they could be artworks that they display again, each season. And so we're using Instagram to auction off each individual artwork.
I really hope that we continue to do this event. It's been really well received by the students. There's a lot of excitement around it. The community members have been very willing to display them for us, and we've gotten great feedback from the community viewing them as well. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't. And as far as new plans, maybe just getting even more students involved. We already have about 40 pumpkins placed, but if it continues to grow and become kind of a tradition for the club, I could see more students wanting to get involved. You're welcome.
The horror. The
what will they say?
Terror has enlightened your mind.
What will they say? CHS Pulsers.
Morgan, what is a pumpkin? Nate, what is a pumpkin?
A pumpkin, it's like a big orange thing. It's kind of like a vegetable or fruit tablet.
I don't know, it tastes good.
What is a pumpkin?
Isn't it like a squash or something?
I second that.
Squash?
Yeah.
Okay. Asha, what is a pumpkin?
A vegetable?
Lauren, what is a pumpkin?
It's a vegetable that can be pretty big.
What is a pumpkin?
I don't know.
They're at the patch, of course.
Of course.
What isn't a pumpkin? That's the question.
Oh. Final question. What is not a pumpkin?
What? What is not a pumpkin?
Wednesday, do you have a favorite pumpkin?
No.
Well, speaking of favorites, one of my favorite Halloween activities is aggressively wrapping people in toilet paper. Sorry, I mean mummy wrapping.
One time I mummy wrapped one of my friends. We're not friends anymore.
Let's not get wrapped up in that. How about we watch the professionals battle it out?
Guys, welcome to the mummy wrapping competition. I'm Izzy.
And I'm Morgan.
And today we have 3 teams that are going to be wrapped. Me and Jake.
Izzy and Aaron. Emma and Kaylee.
Alright, the only rule is that you have to try and cover their body from head to toe, and whoever finishes their roll of toilet paper first wins. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, sorry. What are you guys doing? Okay, another check-in.
No! Oh, no. No! No, actually are! Wait, hold this one. No, actually are. Don't touch the water. Don't touch. I've got a special power. Oh my god,
No. Here's Emma's. Emma and Kaylee's. Aaron and Izzy's.
You did
wow.
good. I'm so proud.
Timmy and Jake's.
Thank you so much.
So great.
The final results were a little different than we expected.
But I think the overall winning team is Aaron and Izzy.
Woo!
Aaron and Izzy shouldn't have won.
Sorry, Wednesday. I don't think that's how it works.
I know how it works.
Didn't sound like it. I have a better question for you. What's your least favorite thing to do?
Dance.
Well then, I have the perfect thing for us to see next, and I don't mean horror movies.
Those who participate will be receiving a prize of pride and patty. Let's see who we can find. Mr. Henderson! Pleasure to see you. All right, this is happening. Let's go, Patty. All right. Question.
Yeah?
Trick or treat.
No.
Trick or treat.
Tree?
Come with me. This is Louise Denopt, member of the Chatham cheerleading team. I'm so scared. The freshmen are going to judge me, man. Would you like to say hello to Patty?
Hey, Patty.
Do you guys like to be an audience?
Sure.
All right, you're going to follow me. This is Lila. Trick or treat.
Tree.
Great, come with me. Let's go. If you're scared for your safety, I suggest you back out now. I have an audience. Contestants, pick a costume. I feel like everyone's kind of scared. So am I. I'm also sweating profusely. This might not end well for anyone involved, specifically me. Weezy's really getting into it. I'm not quite sure what the others are doing. So many questions, not enough answers.
I was working in the lab late
So far, Sam's looking solid.
My eyes beheld an eerie sight.
Ooh.
For my monster from his slab began
I don't think they quite get the
rise,
concept.
And suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
As of right now, the freshmen are absolutely killing it. I'm not gonna lie, they might win this one.
strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
We have a very clear winner today. Drum roll, please. Juniors! And Lila. Thank you for participating. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for joining us this week. That's all for today, folks.
That was horrific. The cheer team can't dance? I thought that was their whole purpose in life. Not to mention, they're so happy all the time. I hate happy.
I know you do. You know what makes me happy? Halloween Town. I just love how clueless they all look trying to escape.
Then you'll really enjoy this.
Town? Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh, this is so weird. So we need hair from a werewolf?
Sweat from a ghost?
Sang a vampire?
What? Hair from a werewolf? Mr. Clark will do the job.
So, I just want to tell you about my grade. Like, I'm really just struggling, need help.
Yeah. You guys cut off a piece of my hair? Something looks off here. Something doesn't look right.
Yes, we finally got the werewolf hair. Now we only have 2 more steps to the scavenger.
We got this. Now sweat from a ghost. I know Mr. Tomatoes in the gym.
What are you doing?
Last thing we need is a tooth for a vampire.
You know, I think I saw Mr. Henderson at the dentist last week.
I think he's a vampire. I've heard rumors. We should go see.
Let's go check it out. Alright, so Mr. Henderson, how's your new role been as vice principal?
It's been great. You know, I love Chatham High School. The students and the staff are exceptional. Everyone's been, really helpful as I'm learning some of the new aspects of the job. Yeah.
I just want to ask, have you been to the dentist recently?
Interesting you ask, but I have. I was just there last week getting some work done.
Okay. Any cavities or like teeth falling out?
Yes. Did lose a tooth. I actually.
You did?
I carry it around with me. It's
Really?
my little good luck charm.
Oh, okay.
You want to take a look?
Yeah. I'll see that. Thank you.
Guys, I'm so happy we made it.
I know, we did.
Thank God we did that scavenger hunt. I'm so happy.
Pathetic. I could have escaped so much quicker.
Same. I have way too many questions for them.
More questions? I don't think I can handle this.
I mean, I don't know about you, but these questions make me feel like committing crimes with both direction and magnitude.
Hey guys, I'm with The Pulse, and the bell for lunch is about to ring, so we're gonna go around and ask people the question of the week, which is Halloween trivia.
It's Jake here with The Pulse. We're gonna be going around doing some question of the week, but first we gotta change up the fit. Alright, this is much, much better. So, we are currently walking through the halls as Vector. About to go do some Vector trivia with the under students, whatever that's called. Who am I for Halloween?
Me? Oh, a carrot. You are a carrot.
No, I'm Vector from Despicable Me. Can you tell who I am for Halloween?
Vector. Vector.
You're Vector.
Do you think candy corn's overrated?
No, candy corns are the best, especially when you mix them with peanuts.
Do you guys think candy corn's overrated?
Oh, 100%.
That's disgusting.
It's nasty. Absolutely vile.
Yes.
What's your name?
Paul.
Paul what?
Paul Kuppenheimer.
Okay. Is a pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable?
Vegetable. Why? Because it has seeds.
Are you afraid of clowns?
Of clowns? No.
How many tigers does Joe Exotic have?
5.
Samir, what are you being for Halloween?
Halloween, I'm probably gonna be a group of Greek gods with my friends over here.
When the sign says you only take one piece of candy, do you take one piece of candy?
No.
How many do you take?
At least 10.
How many minions are there?
12.
Like a million.
Infinite.
3.
Over 100?
Are you afraid of clowns?
Yeah.
What's Vector's last name in Despicable Me?
Evil?
What is Vector's last name?
Perkins.
Yes. Good job. You're the first person to get that.
Do you think candy corn is overhyped? This is controversial.
I think it's good, but like it's overhyped. Yeah.
I don't think it's overhyped. I don't think it gets enough hype.
That's questionable. What do you think Mr. Tomato is going to be for Halloween?
Probably a dog. Mr. Tomato. Yes. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you guys?
I'm very well. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Movie The Big Lebowski.
Yes.
Art Suchek.
He looks like a highlighter.
Reminds me of how the boys dressed in 6th grade. Horrible times. Really horrible times.
Lurch, did you ever dress like that?
That's a yes. I always knew something was off about him.
Well, lucky for us, that's all the time we have this week.
Have an awful Halloween, everyone.
Stay tuned next week for the CHS edition of What Would You Do?